Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your carrier supports Esim and that you have either a QR code or activation code. This is essential. Once ready, make sure Wi-Fi is on and your Samsung account is signed in because activation may require network access. Now open Settings, go to Connections, then SIM Card Manager. Tap Add Mobile Plan. You're starting the provisioning step. Don't skip the carrier info, since the phone needs that to download the profile. You now scan the carrier QR code or select Enter Code manually. Choose whichever your carrier provided. Make sure to allow camera and network permissions, because the phone needs both to fetch the profile. Once you confirm, the phone will download and install the eSIM profile. This usually takes 1 to 3 minutes. After installation, go back to SIM Card Manager and designate whether this eSIM is your primary data, voice, or a secondary line. To match, you finish by activating and verifying the eSIM. Once installed, restart the phone if activation stalls, because a reboot often clears handshake issues. Then test a call, send an SMS, and confirm mobile data connects. This proves provisioning is complete. Make sure billing and plan details match with your carrier account. If things go wrong, reset network settings first. This clears old APN or SIM configs, and if the issue persists, contact your carrier with the activation code and device IMEI ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.